Welcome back to part 2 on the strategy that I used to scale to 700 listings in a new Etsy print-on-demand shop and generated 5-figure revenue in just 4 months. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, be sure to click on the comment or check out the playlist. Once you've got a nice long list generated from all of your product research, you need to think about the niches that they could potentially fall into and your SEO strategy. Make sure you stick around to the end and we'll walk through a specific example. But first, let's break those down. Understanding a potential niche that your product can fall into essentially means that you understand who your potential customer might be and how they might search for something. This all then directly correlates into your SEO strategy, which is how your customer finds it and making sure that your product shows up in front of them. In Etsy, your SEO, or search engine optimization, is essentially incorporating optimized keywords into a variety of areas of your shop. The 3 big areas for those are going to be your titles, your tags, and your description. This is prime real estate, and you need to make sure that you're using it all wisely. Use as much of those 140 characters in your title as possible. Use all 13 tags. Use 1 to 2 sentences in the beginning of your description. Let's walk through an example of what that means. Let's say you want to make mom shirts. That's a very broad category, and there is no way you'll get found by just simply making plain mom shirts. So instead, you think about a sub-niche. So for example, soccer mom, hockey mom. These are shorter terms, but they're more specific. They're great for things like tags as well. That then leads you to your SEO, which is how your ideal customer finds your product. These are things that are optimized. So soccer mom shirt might be a search that they would look for. Same with hockey mom shirt. They're more specific. And again, these are still shorter and great for long tail tags. For my strategy, I take it 1 step further and I go down to combining that with more saturated keywords like Christmas gift or birthday gift. So for this example, soccer mom shirt for Christmas gift would make a great long tail and is great for titles and descriptions. Same with a hockey mom shirt birthday gift for mom. It sounds repetitive and it does get very specific, and not all categories are easy to niche down like this, but if you can, it really does work. There's definitely a ton that can be said about niching down and subcategories and SEO and how it all correlates and works together. There's tons of opinions. This just happens to be the strategy that's worked for me. Let me know in the comments what questions you have and what other information would be helpful.